Okay, so this one, my background is basil cardstock, and I'm going to use this red, I know Theo, he's such a pain, he's always there when I scrapbook. That red plaid layer is from Hit Kit Club's Make-A-Wish called "'Tis the Season." And then I'm going to use that wood grain layer from Hit Kit Club's Make-A-Wish. And I'm going to use some circles along this layout. I'm trying to just figure out. And then these are some pictures that I had left over of my great nephew's gingerbread houses. And that nutrition fact label and some of the gingerbread houses are from my silhouette. And then the house sticker is Make-A-Wish. Yeah. And then the circles, the tree circle is Make-A-Wish, a Christmas tree. The black and white circle is from Make-A-Wish as well. And then so is the Christmas tree decoration circle, which is Make-A-Wish, called Silent Night. And then, of course, the phrase stickers that I'm going to use are from Hit Kit Club's past kits. And then my title here, Cheerful Traditions, that is Hit Kit Club's Make-A-Wish exclusive puffy stickers. They're actually phrase puffy stickers. So this layout actually went together quite quickly. And so I'm going to use some more of these, the die cut stickers. I was thinking about using some of those, but I don't. And so to finish it off, I decide I'm going to use some different phrase stickers. If I can find a place for it. And then once I do that, that's going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.